Hi, good morning, and welcome to another day. So today we just have to watch many hours of lectures, which is fine, which is what we signed up for. It's 9:42. I'm already a little bit late for my first lecture, but that's okay. We watch all of these at 2 times speed anyways. I'm gonna start my lectures for the day. I got my green tea. Let's go.
Total number of pregnancies. If you've never been pregnant, you're at G0. The P's have to do with sort of the outcomes of those pregnancies.
I made myself some breakfast and I'm so hungry. And honestly, I think I'm gonna make myself some coffee too, because that sounds really good. I have my coffee and I have my sustenance. And now the goal today is to literally sit here for the next 6 to 7 hours and get shit done. I'm feeling motivated, I'm feeling good, I have food, I have coffee, I have literally everything I need to become the best med student, doctor I can be. Let's do this.
So I want to start with a brief review of the thyroid and the parathyroid gland anatomy. I'm assuming you guys all remember from your anatomy class.
Hi, so update time. It is much later. It is 3:30 p.m. I have just been sitting at this desk, watching lectures, getting through my stuff, and now I think I need like a little bit of a change in scenery. I'm gonna go to a coffee shop in Adams Morgan. If any of you are from DC, one, shout out, and definitely let me know in the comments. But Adams Morgan is like a neighborhood in DC, and it's really cute, and I like a lot of their coffee shops. So I'm gonna go there. Let's do it.